short answer type questions. 1. Why did Rajkumar Shukla want to take Gandhi to Champaran?
राजकुमार शुक्ला गांधी जी को चंपारण क्यों ले जाना चाहते थे?
Answer. Rajkumar Shukla was one of the poor impoverished sharecroppers of the Champaran district. He had gone to the Lucknow session of the Indian National Congress to take Gandhi to Champaran to fight the injustice and the exploitation of the sharecroppers. Question 2. How did Gandhiji reach Champaran? What did he find there and what did he plan for future proceeding?
गांधी जी चंपारण कैसे पहुंचे थे? उन्होंने वहां क्या पाया था और उन्होंने भविष्य के कार्यों के लिए क्या योजना बनाई?
Answer. Gandhiji reached Champaran at the request of Rajkumar Shukla, a poor peasant who had arrived to take his help in solving the sharecropping agreement. When he reached Champaran, he found that oppression and backwardness of the place. He decided that going to court was useless and started a civil disobedience movement. Question 3. Why did Gandhi decide to go to Muzaffarpur before going to Champaran?
चंपारण जाने से पहले गांधी जी ने मुजफ्फरपुर जाने का फैसला क्यों किया?
Answer. Muzaffarpur was en route to Champaran. Gandhi decided to first go to Muzaffarpur because he wanted more complete information about the conditions in Champaran and Shukla was capable of imparting. It did prove helpful as the lawyers in Muzaffarpur, who frequently represented the peasant groups in the courts, briefed Gandhi about their cases. Question 4. Why did Gandhiji chide the lawyers?
गांधी जी ने वकीलों की निंदा क्यों की थी?
Answer. When Gandhiji came to know about the hefty amount of the lawyers for taking the peasants' case, he chided the lawyers for collecting big fee from the poor sharecroppers. Question 5. How did the Champaran peasants react when they heard that a Mahatma had come to help them?
चंपारण के किसानों ने कैसी प्रतिक्रिया दी जब उन्होंने सुना कि एक महात्मा उनकी मदद करने आए हैं?
Answer. Gandhi received a summons to appear in court. The next day thousands of peasants had assembled in Motihari. They didn't know much about Gandhi, but they knew that he had come there only to take up their cause. Thousands of them held a demonstration. Question 6. Why did Gandhi feel that taking the Champaran case to the court was useless?
गांधी जी को ऐसा क्यों लगा कि चंपारण मामले को अदालत में ले जाना निरर्थक है?
Answer. When Gandhi got to know about the plight of the peasant groups in Champaran from his discussion with the lawyers, he came to the conclusion that the poor peasants were so crushed and fear-stricken that law courts were useless in their case. Going to courts overburdened the sharecroppers with heavy litigation expenses. What really needed to be done was to make them free from fear. Question 7. What were the terms of the Indigo contract between the British landlords and the Indian peasants?
ब्रिटेन के जमींदारों और भारतीय किसानों के बीच नील की खेती के अनुबंध की क्या शर्तें थीं?
Answer. The terms of the Indigo contract between the British and the peasants were sharecropper tenants and had to plant 15% of the land holding with indigo and surrender the entire indigo harvest to the British landlord as rent. Question 8. What made the Lieutenant Governor drop the case against Gandhi?
गांधी जी के खिलाफ केस को बंद या रद्द करने के लिए लेफ्टिनेंट गवर्नर को किस बात ने विवश किया?
Answer. Thousands of peasants held a spontaneous demonstration in Motihari. The officials felt helpless and the government was baffled. The pressure of the people was mounting. The judge didn't want to aggravate the situation. He held up the sentence for several days and finally released Gandhi without bail, thus dropping the case against Gandhi. Question 9. The Battle of Champaran is won. What led Gandhi to make this remark?
चंपारण की लड़ाई जीत ली गई है। गांधी को यह टिप्पणी करने के लिए किसे प्रेरित किया?
Answer. Gandhi asked the lawyers what they would do if he was arrested. The lawyers first replied that they would return home, but when Gandhiji asked them for a solution about the injustice to the sharecroppers, they realized their mistake. They thought that when a total stranger was ready to go to jail for the poor peasants, their going home would be utterly shameful. They decided to follow Gandhi into jail. This made Gandhi explain, the Battle of Champaran is won, as he was happy to have convinced the lawyers and won their trust. Question 10. How did Gandhi show that he cared for the cultural and social backwardness of Champaran villages?
गांधी ने कैसे दर्शाया कि वे चंपारण के गांवों की सांस्कृतिक और सामाजिक पिछड़ेपन की चिंता करते थे?
Or what did Gandhi do after knowing the miserable condition of the farmers at Champaran?
अथवा किसानों की दयनीय स्थिति जानने के बाद गांधी ने क्या किया था?
Or what did Gandhiji do for Champaran?
चंपारण
अथवा गांधी जी में चंपारण के लिए क्या किया था?
Answer. The peasants of Champaran's villages were culturally and socially backward, besides being crushed and fear-stricken by the British due to the sharecropper agreement. Gandhi freed them from exploitation by teaching them that they had rights and also supporters of their cause. The backwardness was tackled by opening primary schools, improving the healthcare facilities and teaching the villagers personal cleanliness and community sanitation. Long answer type questions. Question 1. Who was Rajkumar Shukla and why did he meet Gandhi? Why did Gandhi decide to accompany him to Patna?
राजकुमार शुक्ला कौन थे और वे गांधी से क्यों मिले? गायों ने उनके साथ पटना जाने का निर्णय क्यों लिया?
Answer. Rajkumar Shukla was a peasant sharecropper from Champaran district in Bihar. He met Gandhi at the December 1916 annual convention of the Indian National Congress in Lucknow. Illiterate but resolute, Shukla had come to seek Gandhi's help for bringing justice to the peasants of his region who were exploited by their British landlords. Gandhi told him that he had an appointment in Kanpur and also had prior engagements in other parts of India. Shukla was patient. When Gandhi returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad, Shukla followed him. Impressed by his steadfast attitude, Gandhi asked him to be in Calcutta on a particular date and to take him to his district from there. Many months passed, but Shukla remembered to meet Gandhi on the appointed day and spot. He waited till Gandhi was free and then the two of them boarded a train to Patna. Question 2. The Champaran episode was a turning point in Gandhi's life. Elucidate.
चंपारण प्रकरण गांधी के जीवन का एक महत्वपूर्ण मोड़ था। स्पष्ट कीजिए।
Answer. The success of the Champaran episode made Gandhi decide to speed up the exit of the British from India. Gandhi concluded that the root cause of the problem was fear, so going to law courts to solve the dispute was useless. It brought him face to face with reality and he became aware of the miserable condition of the poor, illiterate farmers. He also realized the exploitation that lay beneath the policies of the Britishers. The spontaneous demonstration by the peasants was the beginning of their liberation from fear of the British. Civil disobedience had triumphed for the first time in modern India. Gandhi declared that the British could not order him about in his own country. Thus, it was a turning point in his life, which also served as a source of strength and motivation for his future movement. Question 3. How did the court scene at Motihari change the course of India's struggle for freedom?
मोतिहारी के न्यायालय के दृश्य ने भारत की स्वतंत्रता के संघर्ष की राह कैसे बदल दी?
Answer. At the court in Motihari, Gandhi was presented and was confronted by the judge that he would be sentenced if he continues to disobey the British government. But Gandhi confidently replied that he was ready to spend even his whole life in prison. Thereafter, the judge demanded a certain amount of money or bail for his release. Gandhi refused to pay the amount. Seeing this, the people of Motihari learnt about the way they should be taking their stand and started supporting Gandhiji. Finally, the judge had no option but to release him without bail. As a result of this, the phase of India's struggle for freedom took a revolutionary turn with the people marching for Satyagraha. Question 4. How did Gandhiji reach Champaran and what did he do there?
गांधी जी चंपारण कैसे पहुंचे और उन्होंने वहां क्या किया?
Answer. Gandhiji reached Champaran after visiting Muzaffarpur, which was en route to obtain more complete information about conditions and the problems prevalent in the region. When he reached there, his first attempt was to make people realize that they too have rights and need not fear the exploitative Britishers. While doing so, he got the compensation due to the poor farmers. In addition, Gandhiji also worked to remove the social and cultural backwardness of the people. He set up primary schools, provided health care, and even inculcated personal habits of personal cleanliness and community sanitation in the people. Question 5. What was the plight of the Indigo peasants before Gandhi arrived and what changes did Gandhi bring about in the life of the Indigo peasants?
गांधी के आने से पहले नील कर्षकों की स्थिति कैसी थी और गांधी नॉन कर्ष के जीवन में क्या बदलाव लाए थे?
Answer. The Indigo peasants were repressed and suppressed before Gandhi arrived in Champaran. They lived in dirty surroundings with no idea of hygiene. When Gandhiji saw the cultural and social backwardness in the Champaran villages, he appealed for teachers to educate the masses. Primary schools were opened in 6 villages. Kasturba taught the ashram rules on personal cleanliness and community sanitation. As the health conditions were miserable, Gandhiji also got a doctor to volunteer his services for 6 months. Question 6. How was the civil disobedience won first time in India? Describe the struggle done by Gandhiji and others.
भारत में सर्वप्रथम सविनय अवज्ञा की जीत कैसे हुई थी? गांधी जी और अन्यों द्वारा किए गए संघर्ष का वर्णन कीजिए.
Answer. The first successful civil disobedience movement in India in the Champaran episode wherein, in spite of fighting endless legal battles, the results were inconclusive due to their fear. Thus, Gandhiji felt that it was imperative to teach these farmers to be courageous. So, Gandhiji helped the farmers face life boldly. He not only refused to go to the court but also got arrested for being the companion of sharecroppers. As a result, multitudes gathered at the court, which the Britishers couldn't control. Consequently, the trial was postponed and Gandhiji was released without bail. Later, Gandhiji made the landlords surrender money as well prestige, thus making the peasants shed their fear. Question 7. How do we know that ordinary people too contributed to the freedom movement?
2023 हमें किस प्रकार पता चलता है कि आम लोगों ने भी स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में सहयोग किया था?
Answer. Ordinary people stood by and supported Gandhi in their own little ways. Rajkumar Shukla and Professor Malkoni defied all odds to contribute in the movements. Professor J.B. Kriplanu motivated a large number of students and welcomed Gandhi at the Muzaffarpur railway station at midnight. The spontaneous demonstration outside the court was also a significant contribution as it showed the Britishers the unity of the Indians. Civil disobedience could triumph in India only because of the courage and unity of ordinary people.
वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।